Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the part 2 of PGM Toy part 2. So, out of the way! Out of the way! I guess let's race in 3, 2, 1, go! The red truck is nowhere! She's winning again! She treats you like she treats you. The truck is a winner! That is a good winner! Three, 2, 1, go! Who's gonna be where? This is ow. Out of my shelf. Ow, my hair. Alright. Guys, we got best American sporting truck. This was the winner! It's a winner! Who's aware? So it is. That's why this good winner. Woo-hoo-hoo! And this is Lou. Oh man. Woohoo! The red truck is win. It still could be strong. I guess so. Have to remove. I got. All right, let's. I bring him back. Are you excited to throw up? 3, yeah. You throw up too? Alright, yeah. Oh. I'll put them back on. You guys can find out. This is a 4 card. Well, I don't know. Our parking lots is old out of the way. Knock down, everything in there. Oh man, that's making no sense. Alright guys. This not easy. Good. Okay. It's a good winner race. I guess so.
Something to feel cool. A race. Oh, wait, guys. Show count. Oh, my phone. It's a logo Walmart. Ah. I'm gonna go play somebody else how to play this one. We got a caution.
Follow me to the Toy Speak Tiny Tunnel. The funhouse tunnel spins round and round. 2 more minutes. And it's very windy.
Alright, shush.
I wonder what's taking so long. I hope they're not lost.
How was it? The fun house was really fun.
How pretty.
Everyone loves the funhouse.
Wow, it's a toy field. Either way. Alright, guys. And what is the Nikki? Okay. And then at 65. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, it's a crash. Alright, so this is a car. Alright, let's check it. And I have to test. Oh! Alright, so it's got a new car. It's got a toy. I got a toy that calls a race car. Wow. Alright. It's got the wheels. It's got everything. A new car. I love a new car. Alright, the teacher. What's up? Out of the way. There's a sporty truck. And we got some Mr. Truck. And then we got some toy truck. Alright guys, so this is nice. This is nice. The vehicle. Alright guys, so this is a no left. So do not. Alright guys, got a new one. Alright, let's check out that new. I'm sorry guys. Get the machine. Out of the way. Out of the way. Yeah. Out of the way. Where's my truck? Oops. No. Oh, it's got two. That's a shame. Alright, guys, so there's another one. This one is complete. Out of the way. Oh, this one's gonna stay connected. Eat that same sign so you put your mouth. Alright guys, so Merry Christmas guys. Alright guys. Love vehicle. It is a 4-race car. Okay, I move.
I can't wait. I know a thing or two about boats, you know.
I think I might have a tour of those sundowns. Have fun.
This way, everyone.
This big boat has lots of small
There we go.
boats hanging off the side.
These are the lifeboats.
Alright guys, so
Life jackets to go inside. Here's your life jacket, Peppa.
Fossilios, nope.
That's okay. On with the shore.
Alright guys, so
These are the biggest
Get Apple gifts at Target and save 5% with the Target Red Card.
we're fine. Alright.
What are they, Miss Rabbit?
These are the solar panels. Our ship is powered by energy from the sun.
Good job, son.
One more stop on the tour to go. Time to head back down.
Alright.
What a good idea, George. Come in, everyone.
I'm gonna turn on the bass. We're on the wicked blowout.
This is the bridge.
This isn't a bridge, it's a roof.
There we go, guys.
Ship like this is called
There we go. I'm gonna volume up. Got a little too much of bass. It's a bayer. Alright, so this saw it's an upside turner. Oh, left. Another left and match. Not bad. It's just so cute. This one to put on the floor. Just a cone. It's completely not bad at all. Be right back.